How to change your username on Reddit. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Reddit. It will land you on this page. Tap on your profile at the top right corner and then head over to My Profile. Right here you can see the option of Edit. Tap on it. In this page you can only see the option where you can change your display name. Let's say I want to change it to something else. Once you are done, tap on Save at the top right corner. Well, you can see that your display name has been successfully changed. But one thing you should know that there is no any option or the feature where you can change a username on Reddit. Once you have entered the username while creating your account, after that you won't be able to change it. Well, now the only thing you can do is to create a new account and enter the username that you prefer. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to change a username on Reddit. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.